Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
For this, get a food processor. If you don't have one, just get a Ziploc bag and throw in 250 grams of cookies. Sweet ones, I'm using Nice biscuits. You can use graham crackers, whatever. Now just add 100 grams of melted butter. Then get a cake pan or something with a push-up base if you've got it, because it makes life a lot easier. Pour all that in. Just spread that around so it's fairly even. Then get a glass with a flat underside and squash it down so it's nice and compact. Now pop this in the fridge while we get on to the next part. Get a large mixing bowl, put in 500 grams of cream cheese. Add about 100 mils of pure cream. You can add thickened cream, whipping cream. Add a cup of sugar. Now that cream cheese needs to be softened, so leave it out to room temperature to let it soften. And we want to beat this until it's nice and creamy. Now cut up between 150 and 200 grams of Turkish delight. Looks like this. Cut them up into pieces. Chuck them in. And get about 1 cup of mini marshmallows. I've chosen colourful ones. You can add nuts, walnuts or something and crush them, but just for this I felt I didn't want to add nuts to this because I want to keep a nice creamy texture with this. Now just fold it through. Now add the cheesecake straight in. Oh, this is so yummy. Now pop this in the fridge to set. Will probably take 4 to 6 hours, or if you pop it in the freezer it'll probably just take about 1 to 2 hours.